Afternoon, welcome. This is Waec year 2018 comments past question. Question number 18 says exchange of goods in international markets which does not involve the use of money. That is when buyer and seller does not make use of money as a means of their exchange is dash a. Remember that is international market, which is international trade. A, barter trade. B, entry port trade. C, kata trade. D, bilateral trade. The correct option here is option C, kata trade. Kata trade means a trade in which goods or services is used or are used in exchange of other goods or services. So goods is used for in exchange of goods, services used in exchange. But when we talk of barter trade involve a local trading or home trade. Then when we talk of entry port trade simply means when a particular goods is shipped to the port of a particular country, and after a while the same goods without the bossing it is also shipped to another port of another country. But when we talk of bilateral trade, it is a trade that involves principally two countries. That is what we mean by bilateral trade. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.